Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's Tristan, and today in this video, I'm super excited to bring y'all this review right here. I wonder where my cat is. Oh, she always gets a spot. It's like behind my window over here. I don't know why. It's one of her favorite spots. But aside from that, what we're going to be discussing in this video today is the upcoming YUTO HORIGOME SB Dunk Low Asparagus we are going to be seeing drop in spring 2025. We got a little bit of an early pair right here. Got all the laces, everything else with them except for the box. Keep in mind, I only got a replacement box with them, but I got the pair and everything else. I'll have the box in about a week or two. Just wait on that. Like the Legend Blue review, yep. Just remember, you'll see it. And yeah, I hope y'all will enjoy this video since this is a really cool pair. I want to show y'all all the details with it, up close, insoles, all that. So we'll do that in this video. So if y'all want more content like this, again, feel free to subscribe and like down below. We're trying to 300 likes on this video. And do not forget, you guys can check me out on my IGs down below. If anybody needs size 8, 9, or 10 of these, feel free to let me know. Not cheap, but hey, if anybody needs them, let me know. They're clean. Also the union ones, 9 through 11, let me know. I got like an 8 too, so hit me up if you're a size 8. And yeah, that's pretty much what I can say about this pair and everything we got to get into. Well, we got the video. And you can check us out at Resale Vision down below. You can see we're giving away a pair of black cement 3s right now, so you want a chance to win that upcoming pair for free. Again, make sure you guys join down below. Don't miss out. The deals we do every day, stuff like that. Members get access to early pairs, etc. So see that all down below. Deals every day in there. So let's get started on reviewing the shoe. I've been talking for too long, but some important stuff to discuss in the intro right here. Just want to let y'all know what we're doing, what we make these videos for. It's just like a lot of my content, I hope is, informative, giving y'all like general knowledge on shoes. I'm not trying to make it to be like, like I got these, you don't. Like, no, bro, anybody can, like, you know what I mean? It's not like that. So aside from that, as you guys can see, probably my favorite portion of this sneaker. I know I probably sound like a total hypebeast saying this, but my favorite portion of this sneaker, excuse me, it's probably going to be the logo back here by the heel. I just really like how that black logo sets off kind of that green colorway that we got going on right here. You can probably see why they're calling them the asparagus, I mean, yeah, there's definitely that hint of green throughout the shoe, you know what I'm saying? But aside from that, the extra laces we got we got a pink set. I think a lot of people are actually going to like, I actually like the pink set with these. I think that worked good. Y'all think that worked good? What y'all think? I think that worked pretty good. Yeah, so pink's a good one. And then we also got these ones. These ones I think would work really, really good. I actually like the green laces on them. I think that's just like, I probably would just wear them with those. But these ones I'd probably try them with these. It's kind of like cream set of laces we got as well. So that's pretty cool. 2 little extra laces we got. Wanted to show you all those. And of course, some other portions on this sneaker right here. You guys can see one unique detail right there. I do not know. As you can see, like one of the eyelets, I believe that's the correct name. It kind of has a metal metal thing like on it. You know what I mean? My dad knew the name of it. I don't know why I don't. But yeah, you guys can see. It's not on the other ones. It's just on that one. And you actually go to the other side, it's not there. It's just on this one. So I thought that was kind of an interesting detail. Shout out to my dad for pointing that out. He was taking a look at these and he was like, why is this on this side but it's not on this side? And I was like, I don't know. I'll ask my comment section on YouTube because I know one of you guys knows. One of y'all is smart. So yeah, that's what I could say. Again, keep in mind, this is my like first reaction to the shoe, other than when like I briefly posted them on my Instagram story and was looking at them with my dad. So I haven't gone like fully in depth to learn every single part about the shoe. I'll do another review in about a month where we'll really dive into in depth and like the history stuff like that in the shoe. But aside from that, you guys can see really clean. Like, you cannot go wrong with this colorway. It might not be everyone's style because, not everyone rocks with green. I totally get that. And some people actually probably wanted the green to be a little bit brighter. It's more of a faded green, kind of more of a subtle green look in person. So I know some people probably are like, man, I wish these were a little bit, more of a brighter green. But I know a lot of people don't like, super bright, kind of neon green. So yeah, this might be just right for a lot of people. And you guys can see what we got in the soles of these pink laces. Again, those will match with that right there. So that's another little nice touch we could say. Or another nice touch that is on the shoe. So aside from that, you guys can actually head to the toe box right here. It's kind of a suede material that we got right here. Y'all can see that. So yeah, just kind of a suede material there. This is, I don't think this is suede. I mean, it's 2 different types, you know what I mean? Like, this is not the same type of suede that we got on the outside of the sneaker. But aside from that, here's the heel portion of the sneaker. Let me grab the other pair when I do this right here. So here we go. Here's the heel of the shoe. Hopefully y'all can see that. So that's what we got going on there. Pretty cool design. I think the brown Nike font really fits on kind of the lighter, like tan color that they have it sitting on. And of course, again, you can see the green going throughout the sneaker, goes all around, wraps around the heel, front, back. So that's what we got there. Another portion I can show you guys. Why don't we do that? So of course, YUTO's signature logo right there on the inside of the tongue tag and on the other pair as well. So y'all can see that. That is on both of them. So pretty cool portion right there. And when you actually dive right here to the tongue tag, as y'all can see, let me do this. So tongue tag, you can see it just says Nike SB, YUTO HORIGOME, Nike SB, YUTO HORIGOME. So that's, you know, that makes the collab official right there. I mean, obviously there's a lot of parts of the shoe that, you know, let you know. You also got kind of this speckled design going on the sole and kind of throughout the upper of the shoe. So I thought that was really cool. Those kind of, you know, match together, sit together. So why don't I show you all the insoles on these? I want to do that because I actually haven't taken a big look at these, but you can see there's some design work going on there. So why don't we take them out, take a look. Give me a second here. Oh yeah, these are cool. Hold up one sec. Nike always does well like on these YUTO collabs. They put in some real effort. So aside from that, here are the insoles on them. Well, I only needed to take out one, so that's kind of funny. But as you guys can see, here's what we got going on with the insoles right there. Pretty unique design work right there. I'm rocking with it. That looks like some mountains almost, you know. I'm trying to take a look right there. That's what it looks like, but, you know, it might not be that. That looks like a wave right there. So, you know, I'm just trying to interpret it, but that's an obvious answer. Do you know what that is? That's YUTO's logo, Nike SB. So, pretty cool collaboration right there. I think the sneaker fits together really, really well. So there is a better look at the insoles right there. And yeah, I mean, it's pretty cool. Someone's backing up their van out there. I don't know who's doing that. I swear that's every day. But aside from that, y'all can see those are the insoles. So another really cool portion on the shoe. All right, so the reason there was all that beeping is because dude wanted to back into his spot instead of just pulling into it. Bro, just pull into the spot. You don't need to back into it. Taking more time than you need to. Like the amount of time you spend backing in your car is going to be the amount of time that it's, yeah. All right, this is off topic. That's such a stupid debate. But yeah, I like the insoles. These are cool. So let's do some B-roll shots for these. I'm going to give y'all more of an up-close look. And yeah, hopefully less outside noise. But hey, people got stuff to do. So respect to them. But let's get into the rest of the video and the outro. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much what I can say and show you guys about the upcoming YUTO HORIGOME and Nike SB Dunk Low we are going to be seeing in 2025. Spring season, probably in some of the earlier months, February or March is my personal prediction. I don't have the exact date yet, but I'm here in March 2025, so that's probably about accurate. And again, let me know your thoughts on this pair. Not too early, fairly early, but yeah, I mean, that's what we can say. You know, there's been pictures out there of these for, you know, a month or so. So we're not the first ones to it, but you don't need to, we don't need to be, you know what I mean? This is just a cool review. I want to show you guys this pair because I know a lot of people are going to be wanting to cop it. I mean, this shoe coming out will cause the old YUTOs, the 2023 pair, to go up in price. Bet on that. Big sizes at least, 11 plus, they'll be going up because people are going to want to get the old pair and this one. They're going to want to have the set. Or if they don't want this one, they're going to want to go grab the old one. So, you know what I mean? And there's obviously not many of the old ones, you know, just out there floating around like that. So yeah, that's what I can say. This pair, it's cool. You know what I mean? I like the OG ones a bit more, I'll be honest, but this is still cool. This has a little bit more like to them than the other ones, but the other ones I think it's a better colorway. It's easier to wear. This one's still really, really nice though. So the extra laces, the pink ones, kind of white ones. Obviously we've got the green ones set on there. So yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you want more, just subscribe and like down below. It's trying to 300 likes in this video. Just lets me know y'all want more early reviews, and I'll definitely bring y'all more content like this. You can check me out my IGs down below. I'm always buying, selling, trading there. If anybody needs size 8, 9, and 10 in these, let me know. Union 1s, got 9 through 11. I'll have another pair of those in hand soon, so I can do, you know, some more pictures, stuff like that. But yeah, shout out everyone that's been doing business recently, excuse me. I appreciate you guys as always, you the homies. And yeah, that's what I can say about the YUTOs. It's a sick pair, so I like it. And if you aren't checking us out, excuse me, down below at Resale Vision, you're missing out. You can see the deals we do every day, stuff like that. So don't miss out. Get in there and start cooking with us. But that's everything I need to mention right there about the upcoming YUTO HORIGOME SB Dunk Lows we're seeing in 2025. So I'm Tristan. Thank you all. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, and let me know how you're feeling about this one. For me, it's a cop, but you know, maybe that's just a bit of a hype choice for me because I said I wasn't a huge fan of him, but I do like him enough to wear him, so I will be going for him. I'll see y'all on the next one. That'll be tomorrow. Peace.
Sticks made a fucking hit.